Okay, y'all, I just wanted to give you a chance to see these videos that weren't working from my home computer. So I'm going to play them for you, and hopefully it'll help make a little bit more sense about these.
Desmosomes, or anchoring junctions, appear as thickened patches in the cell membrane region between two cells. Desmosomes contain specialized proteins such as keratin, the same protein found in fingernails and hair, that increase the rigidity of tissues. Desmosomes, such as those found in epithelium, smooth muscle, and many other animal tissues, are button-like junctions that bind cells together and also function as anchors for fibers in the cytoskeleton.
Okay, that's the first video. Next are gap junctions.
In gap junctions, or communicating junctions, two cells are separated by a small gap, which is bridged by specialized channels that allow the passage of water and small molecules. Gap junctions help coordinate the activities of adjacent cells. For example, a hormone that stimulates one cell will often activate adjacent cells as well by the passage of intracellular signals through gap junctions.
Okay, so I want to point out on this video, you could see these small little things could pass between the cell, so it could signal, but these large circles couldn't. So it's not going to cause all of the contents of one cell to leak into another. It's just going to allow those very small communication molecules to pass between. And then the tight junctions. Tight junctions are my favorite.
Tight junctions, which bind cells together, are found predominantly in epithelial tissues, such as the lining of the intestines. Tight junctions form a barrier that prevents fluids from moving between the intestinal space and the space between cells.
So as you are digesting food and your stuff is moving through your intestines, through your bowels, it can't leak out into the rest of your body because of these tight junctions. That's kind of important. You don't want stuff from your intestines moving into the rest of your body. It wouldn't be healthy. So that is the only job it has, but that is a very important job. Okay, I think that's it for the videos we couldn't see. So come back and watch chapter 7. Thanks.